Hey guys, just want to talk for a second about grades. I've gotten a ton of questions, and please keep those questions coming to me. If you've got questions about your grade, I'm happy to answer them anytime. But lots of people are worried when they see a 0 in the grade book. Please don't stress about zeros in the grade book. So when you see those due dates for me, this note is somewhere on Canvas. But when you see a due date for me, what I'm trying to help you do there is pace yourself. What I really don't want is we come back to school on May 1st or whenever we come back to school and you've got 5 weeks of work to catch up on top of the last 2 weeks, and if we go back May 1st, we're going to be cramming to get stuff in by the end of the year. So I just really don't want you guys to fall behind. I feel like as a group we've gained a ton of momentum over this semester especially, and I feel like we've gained so much ground. I just don't want us to fall behind. Now, with all that being said, if you're a couple of days late, you're a couple of days late. You don't start losing any late points until we go back to school, whenever that might be. So don't stress about, I'm a day late, I'm a couple of hours late, I'm 2-3 days late, whatever. No big deal. Where you should start to be concerned is if you have a bunch of those zeros starting to accumulate. Just don't fall behind, don't get buried, and don't stress out about grades. Things will work themselves out. Like I said, please ask when you have questions. Another favor that I ask about grades is if you go more than a day after submitting something and you don't see it change in the grade book, please don't hesitate to reach out. Things like Nearpod don't alert me when I get a new notification or when I get a new submission. So if I've already graded most of the assignments and you trickle in a day or 2 days late, I won't be alerted that you did that. So I've been circling back and things like that, but as this process stretches out, if you go back and submit something that's older, I probably won't think to go back and check a Nearpod from 2 or 3 weeks ago. So please just stay current. Keep these lines of communication open. Keep up the great work. You guys are doing really good stuff. Don't stress out about grades. We'll get it taken care of. But it's going to be okay. Keep up the good work and email me if and when you have questions.